So this is my beautiful model, Patrice, and we're jumping right into skincare using the Bioderma Soothing Cream for the face and Gel Cream for her eyes. Now I'm going to be using this Duo by Billion Dollar Brows. It's their universal brow pencil, and then I'm going to top that with their brow gel to set her eyebrows. Now I'm going in with a concealer shade that's pretty close to Patrice's skin tone color. I am using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35. So I'm going to be using the Smitten in Switzerland palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using that rosy color right there called Yodel, and I am obsessed with this palette. I just got it. This is my first time using it, and I absolutely love it. First I'm setting her eye with a translucent powder, and then I'll be going in with Yodel. Now using my Nude Medium palette by Huda Beauty, I'm going to go in with this soft pink shade, the one on the bottom left corner on her eyelid. So I'm just going to pat that in and then sweep it to get the maximum shimmer effect. Using the Illuminating in Ireland palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to go in with Charmed, and I'm just going to put that right in her inner corners to make her eyes look more open and awake. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette, and I'm going to blend this dark purple color with a lighter brown rust color. And I'm just going to smoke out her under eye until I get the look I want. Going back into the Smitten in Switzerland palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use the black that's in that palette. It's called Nightfall, I believe. And I'm just going to create a nice soft wing liner. Now I'm just popping on some framed lashes. Framed is my own brand, and this is a new style I'm testing out. And aren't they so cute? I think I will add them to the collection. Coming soon. Now I'm going to be using a NYX white liner pencil in her waterline just to make her eyes look nice and open. This definitely adds like a new element to the look. So for Patrice's foundation, we're using our Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in 228. So using the foundation shade, I'm carving out the top of the brow to make them look extra spicy, to make them look really sharp and finished. For her concealer, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35. And I'm just adding a few lines underneath the eye, and then I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm using one of my favorite loose powders. This is by Mented Cosmetics, and it is in shade Light Tan. And I'm just going to press this in the areas where I want to set. I'm going to use it underneath Patrice's eyes, in her T-zone, and our laugh line area. So to contour, I am using Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and this is the palette that is light to medium. To blend out the contour nicely and add a little bit more warmth to her face, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in shade Dark. Going back into that Illuminating in Ireland palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to add that same shade to the high points of her cheeks, right underneath her brows, like her brow bone area, and a little bit on top of the brow. Now I'm just lining Patrice's lips. I believe this is the MAC Pencil and Spice, but I could be wrong because I don't really remember. But it possibly is that. But I know for a fact that the lip gloss that I use is by e.l.f. and it's called Tea Tree. Going back into the Nude Medium eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, I'm just going to tap this shade right on the apples of her cheeks and blend it out. And that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and I'll see you in the next one.